It normally takes about 4 hours, but it all depends on the scope of work and the type of building that they're cleaning. So it all depends. It can be, if it's a multi-tenant space, it can be between 4 to 6 hours. And if it's just one regular space, it can take up to 3 to 4 hours. So it all depends on the space and the scope of work. The size of the building, the space, the foot traffic, how many people are coming in and out of the building, the type of building also, the type of space. So it all depends on what type of facility we're cleaning. If we have a frequency of just cleaning 3 times a week, the building can be a little bit more dirty than normal cleaning. Most of our buildings, the ones that we clean, we normally clean them after 6 p.m. So they're not even gonna notice that we're there. Now, if we do have a day porter, they are gonna notice a person, walking around the building, making sure everything is nice and neat, cleaning. They may be running the vacuum, so it all depends on the client's expectations too, if they want the vacuum to be used during the day. If it's a person that's working during the day with them, like a day porter, they might just notice a person coming in and out, doing restroom cleaning. But we normally just respect people's spaces, and we also have a night crew that takes care of the cleaning, more of a deep clean at nighttime after, working hours. So they might not even notice that we're there.